The abortion debate continues on after the Supreme Court's decision last year to strike down Roe v. Wade, and that debate is taking hold in Oregon's capital. Oregon voters may even soon be able to have a chance to make their voices heard on the issue. SJR 33 is a direct response from the Oregon to the Supreme Court's decision. If passed, supporters say it will enshrine equal rights protections in the state's constitution, allowing Oregonians to make decisions about their own bodies and families regardless of gender, gender identity, or sexual orientation. That includes decisions surrounding abortions, contraceptives, and gender-affirming care.
This constitutional amendment comes in response to last year's Dobbs decision that went against half a century of legal precedent and repealed a person's constitutional right to an abortion under Roe v. Wade. This unprecedented decision has threatened the rights of every American to make deeply personal decisions without interference from politicians, leaving it up to the states to protect people's rights.
That public hearing was attended by people on both sides of the abortion debate, including representatives from Planned Parenthood and representatives of Oregon Right to Life.
We know that Oregon voters want these protections, and it's time to let their voices be heard at the ballot box so our state constitution finally reflects the values and freedoms we hold dear. With the loss of Roe, extremists in Oregon and across our nation have been further emboldened and continue to push the unthinkable. And make no mistake, they will stop at nothing to continue to dismantle the rights and freedoms we have fought so hard to protect.
It will codify legal discrimination that exists against developing babies under the guise of women's rights. Instead of ensuring equality under the law, it will ensure inequality of the most egregious kind. It will continue to ensure that thousands of babies, the most vulnerable people in our society, will die. It will ensure that no law will protect them.
Again, if passed in the Senate, it will appear on the November 2024 general election ballot. If it gets more than 50% of voters approving it, then the Constitution will be amended.